Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how you can take multiple pictures on iPhone. So first go to camera. From here on the shutter button, swipe left your camera shutter button to take multiple pictures. Let's do this. So tap and swipe left like this to take multiple pictures. Again, okay, swipe left. So yeah, this is how you can take multiple pictures on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.